Taking a little nature walk down at the creek. I already came down once, but I had to go back up and get my phone. Left it in the car with the windows down. It wouldn't have been there when I got back, believe me. See a butterfly. Whoa, what did they do here? What? Because some of that filled back. Oh, look, pretty, 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 pretty flower. Wildflower. There's another one. And another one. Here I'm going across the bridge. And I've got a cobweb on my face. Yay. And I can't get it. Phone in one hand. Fishing pole and worms in the other hand. Forgot my tripod today. So there's going to be no videos of fishing. Everybody check out Aiden Ray. It's all lowercase letters. A-Y-D-E-N. Aiden Ray. A-D-E. Wait a minute. A-Y-D-E-N-R-A-Y. There's a picture of him. He's really, really young in the picture, and he has a picture of a monster. And something just landed on my hand, and I can't do nothing about it because it's on my phone. Something just landed on my phone, should I say. But it hit my hand. I don't like being the first person to come down here because I eat all the cobwebs. Ooh. Creek's really flowing. I don't know if you can see it. Current's strong. Look at all the flowers. Wildflowers. I don't know what they're called besides wildflowers. So peaceful down here. It's windy today. Hope his chair's still down here. So I thought I had mine in the trunk. Wrong! It wasn't in the trunk. Big cobweb. Big thick cobweb. Try to knock these cobwebs down. So nice down here. Nice and peaceful. Ruh-roh. Oh, I don't want to go in the mud. Big puddle right there. Let's go this way. Oh, gotta climb a hill. Good, the chair's still here. And the stick. Mysterious Granny, I'm out of here. If I catch a fish, I will show you. Peace out.